Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. I'm going to fix a mistake. So I got here earlier on today and wanted to make a how to make video, and it didn't quite go as planned. I'm knackered, it's been a really busy week, and unfortunately I messed up some footage and stuff, so there's no how to make. But I did managed to forge this bad boy, and I'm so pleased with it. It's come out really well, but no how to make video, sorry. Hang around to the end of the video because I've got something to show you guys. I think some of you are going to really like it. So watch the video and then check me out at the end. I'll see you on the other side. Forceful blow. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry there's no how to make. I wanted to do how to make on this bad boy. I will redo that video and I'll make another one of these, and I'll probably do a giveaway because I don't need 2 of them, that's for sure. As I said, I've got something to show you guys, and I think some of you are going to get really excited about this. Oh, you got this heavy. Okay. That's got to be like 60 kilos. I don't know what that is in pounds. 60 kilos in pounds. I have no idea. So anyway, yeah, this is a drive shaft out of a 918 compactor, a Caterpillar compactor, so some American steel here. It's an absolute beast of a bar. It's like 75mm round, 3 inches round, 3 inches in diameter. It's absolutely mental. It's rock hard, it's full of chrome, it's some of the hardest material I've ever had in the workshop. It will not cut on the bandsaw, it takes forever with angle grinders, but it's absolutely mental. So what I want you to do, guys, I've got 10 of them as well. What you should do, guys, is in the comments below, chuck up a suggestion for what I should make out of this, and I will pick one of the people that's done the suggestion and I will try and make that object that you suggest. Remember, I've got the Massey, so think big. Not too big though. And I know hammer. Hammer's a really, really obvious one, so let's try and avoid hammers and stuff like that. But I'm sure there's some guys out there who can think of some really interesting stuff I can make out of this bar. The one or couple of suggestions that are the best that I pick and make stuff out of these bars, I will chop a chunk of this bar off, like 4-inch chunk of this bar off, and I will send it to you. Yes, but you have to be subscribed to get entered into that little competition, obviously. So if I pick your suggestion and you're not subscribed, we'll come to some sort of arrangement as long as I can bribe you to subscribe, obviously. So yes, so that's coming up. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I make videos as often as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, tell me about it in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. There's a great community growing and it's really nice having you here. I will chuck a video up here of me making a thing, and then another video here of me making a thing, and